Listen, Halloween is around the corner, so you already know we're pulling out the paint. Hi, Island Bears. It's your favorite island doll, Winnie. And if you want to see how I went from this to looking like this, grab your face paint kits and do stick around, because I'm going to be showing you how to create this easy, adorable Minnie Mouse look for Halloween. So first I'm going to put on my cape so I don't mess up my top, but I was jamming to some Tyler Water, y'all. I love this song. So like I stated, this is going to be a Minnie Mouse inspired Halloween look, but instead of the traditional pink or red bow, instead I'm going to be doing it in my favorite color, green. Now before you go and puff out your chest, understand that Minnie Mouse rocks different color bows, and green happens to be one of them amongst the other ones. And I don't like doing things straight to the T all the time, so of course I'm going to do the green. I'm starting off the design by first creating a circle in the center of my forehead, which is going to be the center of Minnie's bow. From there, I can go ahead and build the bow out. Now, disclaimer, I am by no means a symmetrical queen, so if you're looking for perfection, you're gonna be disappointed. Now that I have the color of the bow as pigmented as I'd like, I'm beginning to create the puffs of the bow, starting from the circle I created in the center of my forehead, which again represents the center of Minnie's bow. Now if you see me looking down like I'm doing now, that's because I'm using my compact mirror to be as precise as possible. Now we're looking a little bit like what's going on, but bear with her, give me a minute. This is just the outline, and now I'm going to take the same shade of green from my kit and fill in the bow I created. One thing I want to mention about this face paint kit, which is the MOSAIZ, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but I will put an image in the video somewhere and a link in the description where I purchased it from Amazon. I've used this kit before to create different looks and it's pretty decent. However, I noticed it's not as pigmented as I would like for this particular look. And so I would recommend that you get a better quality face paint or a better pigmented face paint depending on your complexion or the type of look that you're creating, because this look normally takes about a couple minutes, but it took a bit longer because I had to go over it just to get the shade I wanted. Now that I have Minnie's bow the shade that I like, I'm now using the black color out of my kit and I'm going to start creating the shape of Minnie's ears that are normally tucked behind her bow, poking out to the side, as well as the shape of her face, just a half shape of the face, using the black. I'm also going to use the black to go ahead and start to define our bow to give it the texture and definition for you to really see the shape and detail of it. So I'm going to use the black to once again create the ears, the shape of Minnie's upper face portion, and to outline the bow.
If I'm gone, don't trip, baby, bring it back strong. Up the back, all hits, baby. Set the tone, well it's just me and you alone. Never lonely in the room. Breathe slowly when you know me. Yeah, meditate. You can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me. Yeah. Lay your head on my pillow, say ooh. Touch is making me feel away, ooh. When I get around you, I lose it, 'cause I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. You make me wanna go deep, intimate. That you and me inside. You're deserving, I'm in mine. Lay your head on my pillow, say ooh, touch it. When you're touching, no, it's okay. Ooh. When I get around you, I lose it. So comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. You make me, baby. Lay your head on my pillow, say ooh. When you're touching my body, say ooh. I ain't loving nobody but you. You, 'cause I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. You make me, you make me, you make me.
Minnie's bow is now defined with the black color from our kit, and her ears are on, or my second pair of ears rather. And I'm just going back in with the same shade of green we used earlier on the bow to clean it up a little bit and correct any mistakes I might have made over drawing or over painting rather with the black. And that's what I love about creative arts like this. Whether you're an expert or a newbie like myself, you don't have to be so hard on yourself. You can go back in and tweak it as much as needed or as much as you like. So I'm going to finish cleaning this up, and as you can see the areas are slightly pointed. I'm going to correct that and move on to adding the accents that make Minnie Mouse, which is her little winkers to the corners of her eyes, her nose, and some polka dots to her bow.
I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. Said not by me, no sense, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go, ain't can't keep what's holding me. Choose the rise, but I will break up and find me. Oh, I wave my arm, I feel it now. Still wanna try, still believe it. Had a on my quest to bed alone night. Ooh, play the deal, play the kill the ooh. Know you like that seeking. Ooh, baby, heavy on my empty mind. Shit, I gotta keep the bruises in the first of it. Still worry that I wasted the best of me on your baby. You don't care. Sometimes I read the new sense, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of those things got me a war in my mind.
Hands on my knee, all this beginning. Hop off a chick, barely get rest. Let's do no more, and I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. Shit not a dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up a hundred, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. Who's on me 10? And they clip up like I Uber jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Name in my bag, don't get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you finesse. I earn this shoes with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the best. Go to cool fast when they in with an S.
Now that I'm home, back up the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, in them a fold, sand on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, this bigger window, I be the intent, but I got that.
Here I'm going to add another signature Minnie Mouse element, which is her blush. But instead of the pink, I'm going to be using green, and I'm not going to make it as pigmented as I've been doing before. Here I'm just applying that little shade of green, and I'm going to use 2 fingers just to tap it out and give that little glowy, dewy, iridescent blush effect that Minnie Mouse is known for. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and just add 2 little streaks to the ears of Minnie, just to give that pop. And since the paint I'm using is not as shiny as I would like it to be, that's going to give that little pop effect to it. But you can go ahead and add gloss to your paint if you would like.
Like I Uber to Jesse. This is on me, got my Louis shirt wet. Said him in my bag and get used to these racks.
With this school where they teach you finesse. I earn this shoes with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the desk. Know the cool fast when they in with an S.
The flame on the island, me and couch gunning up on a Learjet. Got potters every color, I got CCs you ain't seen yet. So I kicked the cup and now I'm asking where to go do that. But it runs in up, Eliante tripping my whole team, man.
Mr. Genius Idiot. I love that name.
And with that, our look is completed, my beautiful island bears. What do you think? Comment down below. Let me know if you like content like this and what look you'd like me to try next. But our Minnie Mouse inspired face paint look is really good for Halloween festivities, birthday parties, whatever event you're planning, once it's costume or dress up or what you're invited to. It fits the bill. It's quick, simple, and easy to achieve. Remember to always be you unapologetically, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.